Out of every single day, you've lived thousands of them by now. Allah picked today. Not last week, when you were calmer. Not next month, when you'll be more ready. Today, in the middle of whatever you're going through right now, He chose this exact day to speak. That's not random, that's deliberate. Stay with me for the next few minutes. If Allah wanted to reach you, He could have done it on any day of your life, a calmer one, an easier one, a day when you were already in a good mood and more receptive. But He chose today, which means something about today specifically made it the right moment. Maybe you're tired in a way you haven't said out loud. Maybe you made a decision this morning you're already unsure about. Maybe you woke up feeling further from Allah than you have in a while. Whatever today looks like for you, that's exactly the day He decided to speak, not despite it, because of it. There is a version of you that thinks you need to get it together. Before Allah will bother reaching you, pray more consistently first, feel less guilty first, be a better version of yourself first. But that's not how this works. Allah didn't wait for you to qualify. He spoke today exactly as you are, mid-struggle, mid-doubt, mid-distraction. That should tell you something important. You were never required to be ready before He reached out. You just had to still be here. Sometimes we imagine that if Allah were really speaking to us, it would come with some undeniable, dramatic feeling, chills, tears, an overwhelming moment. But most days, His voice is quieter than that. It's this video, landing in front of you instead of 100 others. It's a thought about Him, crossing your mind in the middle of an ordinary task. It's a small, nagging pull back toward prayer you've been ignoring for days. That quiet pull today is Him speaking. Don't wait for it to get louder before you take it seriously. Whatever this stirred in you, don't let it wait until tomorrow, because tomorrow will have its own version of this same excuse. Today, before you close this app, say something honest to Allah, even if it's just 3 words you actually mean. That's how you answer a day that was chosen, instead of letting it pass like every other one. Allah didn't pick a random day. He picked today for you specifically. Comment today if you're not letting this one pass by. And if someone comes to mind who needs to hear this before today ends, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.